How to become an Agoda affiliate and start earning commissions promoting hotels online. My name is Ricardo Pimenta, and in this video, I will show you how to get started step by step. If you want to create your affiliate account right now, use the verified and secure sign-up link in the description and in the pinned comment. One of the easiest ways to promote hotels online is through the affiliate platform Travel Payouts, where you can access the Agoda affiliate program. Again, if you want to start, the verified and secure registration link is in the description and pinned comment. Agoda is a global hotel booking platform where travelers can search and book hotels, resorts, apartments, and vacation stays in thousands of destinations around the world. After creating your account on Travel Payouts, log into your dashboard and search for the Agoda affiliate program. Apply to the program, and once approved, you will receive your affiliate links. You can promote these links on YouTube, websites and blogs, travel content pages, social media. Every time someone books a hotel through your affiliate link on Agoda, you can earn a commission. If you want to start promoting hotels and earning online, use the verified and secure sign-up link in the description and pinned comment to create your affiliate account. You can also learn more about travel affiliate platforms on my website, plataformadiaffiliatedues.com. And remember, the verified and secure registration link is in the description and pinned comment, so you can start today.